gentlemen, welcome back to the Mystifying Guitar series with me, Madhenge. And as promised, I come with the juice. How do you play the major scale in a song? I'm going to use two examples, one of which you've already heard. That is Susanna by Sauti Sol, the song that I've been playing. That is the rhythmic riff of the song. And the creators of the song used the major scale to create the whole theme, the whole riff. They used a do, re, mi, fa, and so. Those are the only notes that are played for that section that I've played. And as I said earlier, the major scales across all genres, whether rock, pop, R&B, all genres. Again, there is a slight difference between the major scale and the major pentatonic scale. These are two scales that are almost similar, 98% similar. The only difference between the major scale and the major pentatonic scale is that with the pentatonic scale, we remove the fa and the T. So we have do, re, mi, so, la, and do, which is the same as the other do. So it's penta because there are 5 notes. Right into it, you had the previous song that I played there in the intro. And it's a simple riff to play. Another riff that I'm going to show you, a song by Ed Sheeran. The solo is derived again from the major scale. Let me give you a quick listen. So that is one example of using the major scale to form a solo. And it uses 5/6. That is a so, la, do, a re. We'll draw in another, and we'll draw a 6, which is a la. So I played it using an electric guitar, the 14th fret, and it is played from the 4th string, that is the D string, at fret number 14. 14, fret 14, and 15 of the same string. Basically, that's the major scale. We are not touching any other thing, just implementation of a major scale. Almost all the intros that I've had are based on these two scales, and they form the basics of music. Thank you for your time, and I wish you a nice time. Bye bye.